Today I will be presenting a brief audio report on Reliance Industries. By the end of this audio report, you will get to know 5 insights which you did not know earlier in this company. Reliance Industries is India's largest private sector enterprise with businesses in the energy and materials value chain. The flagship company, Reliance Industries, is a Fortune Global 500. The company operates in refining, petrochemicals, oil and gas, organized retail, digital services, and financial services segment. Insight number 1, market share. RIL has a commanding market share in the following segments. RIL has 20% market share in aviation fuel segment, 52.29% market share in broadband segment, 19% market share in HDPE capacity, and 42% market share in LLDPE capacity. Insight number 2, revenue mix. The sales of the company is distributed in the following segments. 57.1% of the sales comes from oil to chemicals, 23.2% from organized retail, 10.6% from digital services, 1.4% from oil and gas, and 7.7% from others. Insight number 3, location-wise breakup. The sales of the company is concentrated in the following countries. 63.7% of the sales comes from India and balance 36.3% from the rest of the world. Insight number 4, operating profit breakup. The company's profits is concentrated in the following segments. 36.9% of the profits comes from digital services, 35.9% from oil to chemicals, 13.2% from organized retail, 9.5% from oil and gas, and 4.2% from others. Insight number 5, CapEx segment wise. The company has invested in the following areas and CapEx is given as follows. 56.9% goes to digital services, 20.6% in retail, 5.4% in oil to chemicals, 13.3% from others, and 3.8% in oil and gas. Profit growth and sales growth. The company has had a reasonable sales growth and profit growth during the last 5 years. Net sales has jumped from rupees 3,91,677 crores in the year 2018 and touched rupees 6,99,962 crores in the year 2022. Similarly, net profits have jumped from rupees 34,988 crores in the year 2018 and touched an outstanding figure of 57,869 crores in the year 2022. Also, the company has a positive ROE and free cash flow during the last 5 years. This indicates that the company has surplus cash profits to pay interest on loans both to banks and other financial institutions. Pledge and debt. The company has zero pledge. This indicates that there will not be any panic selling by both FIIs and DIs in the stock. With a low debt to equity ratio of 0.34 times, the company has surplus cash profits to pay interest on its loans. Valuations. With a P ratio of 26.6 times and a price to sales ratio of 2.05 times, the company is fairly valued. If I were a long-term investor, I would definitely keep this stock in my watchlist radar. For getting more such research insights and in-depth stock analysis, please join our StocksMade Easy group. Thanking you from team testmystock.com.